a membership-based hunting and agriculture club north of Sacramento, California, wanted to install solar on their property to reduce electricity expenses for their members and decrease their carbon footprint. But like many commercial entities, they weren't sure where to start. To help them navigate the process, the club engaged the help of owner's representative, David Vincent, and his team at ACIP Energy to find the best approach and streamline project development. The club's multiple buildings with small roofs made a straightforward roof-mount solar installation prohibitively expensive. ACIP Energy identified a location large enough for a ground-mount array that could offset 85% of the club's electricity load, and fed a utility transformer large enough to accommodate the solar generation without costly utility upgrades. A second challenge emerged when it came to financing. The property is jointly owned by multiple club members. Traditional financing requires one or more members to provide a personal or corporate guarantee. Luminia was uniquely able to overcome that obstacle by offering an approach no other financier could, the Clean Energy PPA. Luminia's Clean Energy PPA was created to make solar possible for most commercial property types, even those with complex ownership structures. Luminia was able to look to the value of the real property to underwrite financing for the project, with no money down and no personal guarantees required from the property owners. Vincent says, with Luminia, the financing process was as smooth as it could be. The Luminia team made it seem like it was personal. We weren't just a project or a number.